Guys, for today's video, mukhang nagkamali ako ng akala dito kay Maya Bank Credit Card. Specifically, kung anong meron ako, which is the Landers. Kung matatandaan nyo, gumawa ako ng video about Maya Landers Credit Card na nag-o-offer na ng 0% interest at 3 months, which is really a good step na right now. However, sabi ko, yung implementation doon is hindi ko gusto dahil parang workaround lang siya na maging 0% interest. Workaround in a sense na ika-cashback nila yung interest na na-charge sa'yo. Ang karaniwan kasi is that right from the start, hindi ka na mabibil ng additional interest. Ganun yung sistema ng mga credit card. Dito ako nagkamali. Sa mga 0% interest na mga offers ng mga credit card, apparently, itong 0% interest promotion, Maya Credit Card, is much better than other credit cards. Paano nangyari yan? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So, samahan niyo ako, sit back, and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat, and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so sinabi ko na mas maganda ang implementation ng 0% ni Maya Bank Credit Card. Paano nga ba nangyari yan? Well, kung iisipin natin, merong mga 0% interest promotion din talaga ang iba't ibang mga credit card. Kung nakakasubaybay kayo dito sa channel ko, matagal na rin natin napag-usapan na usually kapag bibili ka ng mga item for installment gamit ang inyong mga credit card, for example, appliances, magkaiba ang cash price at saka ang installment price. Sasabihin ng mga merchants dyan na nagbebenta na kapag installment po tayo, nakabase po tayo sa retail price, which is retail price would be the only price na existing. Tapos, kung magka-cash ka naman, ang gagawin nila is bibigyan ka nila ng discount. So, lumalabas na parang mas makakamura ka pa daw kapag nag-cash ka instead of credit card kasi discounted price ang makukuha mo. Ngayon, ito yung sinasabi kong 0% talaga na mas okay kay Maya Bank. Kapag straight transaction ang gagawin mo, ang ibang mga banks ay nag-o-offer ng promotion na convert to installment. Usually, ang convert to installment na mga purchases natin ay may interest yang kasama. Usually yan 1%, yung iba 0.65% per month. Kung titingnan natin, hindi talaga siya 0% interest. Pero, apart from that kind of installment, merong mga promotion itong mga credit card companies natin na 0% sa loob ng 3 months. Ang babayaran mo na lang daw dyan ay yung processing fee ng pagko-convert ng purchases mo to 3 months installment. Pero in terms of interest, wala na silang idadagdag. Well, kahit saan naman convert to installment, meron talagang processing fee na nangyayari. Babayaran at babayaran mo talaga yan.
So yun naman pala, may gano'n naman pala yung ibang banks. Ano pinagkaiba niyan sa, ano pa yung nagkaiba ni Maya Bank sa ibang credit cards na nag-offer din ng 0%?
So, eto ngayon yun. Basahin muna natin itong promotion ni Maya Bank in terms of installment na 0%. And take note guys hindi lang to pang landers. Pangbili natin ng appliances, gadgets, etc. So, basahin natin. So, ito, sabi niya, 0 interest, 0 fees, 0 pressure. Make any Maya credit card purchase, mini, easy, and monthly with mini payments. Get 0% interest on your 3-month mini payment plan. Make your eligible Maya credit card purchase worth at least 10,000 pesos instantly and affordable when you convert them into 3-month mini payment plan at 0% interest. Monthly interest fees will be credited back to you in the next month's billing. Yun nga lang, katulad ng sinabi ko dati, di ko lang gusto talaga yung implementation nila ng 0%, which is babayaran mo muna and then ibibigay nila as cashback. Deal highlights. Get the latest gadget and home appliance by converting your Maya credit card purchase into a 3-month mini payment plan at 0%. So basically, ito yung eligible daw na mga merchant codes category. Electronic sales, household appliance, camera and photography store, computer peripherals and software. And then dito naman daw yung mga eligible establishments. So check nyo na lang po yan. So no forms, no calls needed, track all your mini payment in the app. Ito din yung para maging eligible ka. Yung promo duration is from August 1 to October 31, which is meron pa tayong mas mahabang time. The promo is open to all active Maya credit card user, lender, pare-parehas. No registration needed. Kailangan daw straight charge, single receipt transaction purchase. So, isang swipe lang na straight transaction. Cardholder must convert their posted Maya credit card purchase into 3-month mini payment plan via Maya app. The 0% interest amount will be credited back to eligible transaction. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. So, with this promotion ni Maya, talagang masasabi ko na true 0% interest siya versus sa mga credit cards na available natin. Bakit at paano ko nasabi? Well, basically because of the waived fees right now. So, 0 fees, 0 interest. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-convert ka ng mini payments, wala siyang processing fee. Thus, dinivide mo yung purchase mo sa 3 buwan equally nang walang additional. Whereas, katulad netong kinonvert ko sa East-West ko, meron akong binayarang processing fee worth 500 pesos. Though may caveat din naman po itong current na promotion ni Maya. Ano po yun? Medyo limited lang po currently itong promotion niya sa mga electronic and appliances. Paano kung pang travel, pang leisure, katulad ng kinonvert ko na hotel booking namin? Well, hindi po siya applicable. At baka po, hindi po ma-cashback sa inyo yung interest. Pero ako po, sabi ko nga, medyo allergic po ako sa interest, kaya hanggat maaari ang mga kinukuha kong mga loans ay mga 0% interest na tipong sulit po talaga na at least mababa lang ang babayaran yung processing fee or maybe walang processing fee. For our question of the day, sa tingin nyo po ba mas okay na i-avail itong 0% interest na 0 fees versus mag-pay in cash? Ano sa tingin nyo yung advantage ng pag-convert ng purchases nyo to 0% interest dito kay Maya versus paying in cash? Well, let me know sa comment section sa baba for our monthly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Jong M at Jong M. Sabi po niya, "Good day Sir Pat, I have credit limit kay more time. I hope mapaganda pa nila ang features neto. Sa palagay ko baka gawin din nilang one card lang pero dual purpose. Thank you for this info Sir Pat, God bless." Kay Sir Jong M, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and continuously supporting my videos and channel. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!